Hey guys, welcome to Stateroom 9518 on Serenade of the Seas. This is a regular Oceanview Balcony Room. We're going to be doing a tour of it right now so that you know whether or not this is the right room for you. So let's jump into it right now. Okay guys, entering 9518, we do have clients sailing in this room right now, so they're letting us film it, but I wanted to show you these forward rooms have this jet out right here that pushes out. So if you're on the forward end of the ship, you're gonna have this problem where it actually makes this pretty narrow. So if you're in the middle part of the ship, you would actually gain that little bit of space back. It doesn't look like much. However, when you're in here, it is a big loss of space. I don't recommend the forward end of the ship for that reason, but hey, you get what you can get, right? Now, when you first come in, you're gonna have your closet right here. You're gonna have storage on either side as well as shelves going down the middle. It's actually a great setup. Your bathroom is gonna be your standard Royal Caribbean bathroom with your tube shower instead of a shower curtain. You're also gonna have a trifold mirror here, and that far side mirror opens up to be a vanity. Now, the main difference between a spacious ocean view room and a regular ocean view balcony room is going to be this. This is like a one-person love seat, maybe two-person love seat if you guys are really close. However, a spacious would have three. It would be a three-person couch. This room, however, does not have the option for a Pullman above. So this is gonna be a two-person or three-person only if you use this. This will not have enough room for people. And then behind you right now, and I'll show you, is the balcony. And the balcony is a standard size balcony. It really doesn't matter whether you book a spacious ocean view balcony or a regular ocean view balcony. You're gonna have the same size balcony unless you pick one on the hump of the ship. And I'll show you what that looks like in this video right here. So just click that playlist video there and it'll show you exactly what that looks like. And they're the same price. So book early or use a travel agent to help you get the right room so you get a better balcony. Now, one neat thing about Serenade is that they did put plugs right here next to the bed. So you get two Euro chargers and two USB Type A chargers right there next to the bed, which is awesome. I hope they make that change fleet-wide. Moving back to the desk, you're gonna have two skinny mirrors with storage behind them on either side of the big mirror there. Then you have your top drawer here, which is gonna have your safe. You're gonna have your TV behind that, and a cooler down here. This is not recommended for keeping medication in. If you are bringing medication, make sure to let your travel agent like Amy or Royal Caribbean know well ahead of time so they can make adjustments for you to have one here. Now, your desk does have the plugs. It's gonna have two US plugs and one Euro plug. These are the only plugs you can use in the room to use like a hair dryer to charge your phones. The one inside of the bathroom coming out of the ceiling is only rated for a shaver, and it will trip if you try to use your hair dryer there. Well guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I appreciate you guys checking it out. If it has, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, you can use a QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you. And we so appreciate you guys. Consider watching some more of our great videos here, and we'll see you guys on the next one.